Harbor Freight ceiling fans. Are these any good? Well, I certainly have enough. I'm going to find out, right? The 3 fans on my porch were falling apart. I'll show you that in a moment. And I was recommended to get outdoor rated fans, but they're very expensive. So I found some that were cheaper and just thought I'd take my chances. We have very humid weather here, but I thought I'll just keep the fans on low and hopefully that will keep the blades from deteriorating. It is November the 21st. Fans are still working beautifully, and I haven't noticed any kind of degradation of the blades. And for the most part, they have kept the birds off the porch. You can see the poor shape that my old ceiling fans were in. The porch really needed a makeover, which I was committed to do this summer, and I did. These fans have been up since we originally built the house in 1997, 98. Birds were building nests on the top. I don't know why I got dropped fans for the porch. And then one of the blades just completely flung off. It didn't hit me. I happened to be off the porch at that time, but it was definitely time to get new fans. Definitely. I purchased 4 of these at Lowe's. They were $44 and some odd cents because by buying 4 I got $5 off. Normally they're $49 and something. Made by Harbor Breeze. It's the Builder series, which means that's just the cheap stuff that builders are going to put in houses that they put up. It's supposed to be a 52-inch brushed nickel finish with a limited lifetime warranty. That's what it's supposed to look like. I checked the model and Lowe's, and it does have the globe. And I'm going to put a little bit of blue on that one for the fan and leave that one white if that's the colors they come in. It's supposed to have an LED bulb in it. One 6.5 watt LED bulb is supposed to be included. Here's the energy guide information. Here's the airflow cubic feet per minute. Here's some information to match the ceiling fan to the right room size. And I'm putting 1 in a kitchen and 3 on the front porch. Actually, I'm not going to put them in. I'm going to hire somebody to put them in. I don't do things electrical, so I hired a friend to put these up, and he did an excellent job. He put all 4 of them up. Here's the parts. Open one of the boxes. Everything looks pretty solid, pretty nice. I didn't install mine. I'm not fooling with electricity. I hired an electrician to do all that part. Instructions seem pretty clear with good diagrams. I'm going to put pages of the instruction manual. Here are pages of the instruction manual that are more clear in case someone needs to stop the video and check out instructions, parts list, things like that. Because frequently people need this after they've thrown their instructions away. I've had my ceiling fans up on my porch now for 5 months. It's quite humid out here. I haven't had any issues with mine. As I said, I keep the fans running on low all the time because I thought that would help with the humidity. They work perfectly. They're beautiful, attractive, and very, very happy with them. Also with the one inside in the kitchen. Let me show you that one. Here's footage of my indoor one running after I've had it installed for several months. I'm quite pleased with it. I have not had to change the light in it or any fixtures. I only changed the light in one to try to put a motion sensor, which did not work, and put a black light in one on the porch just for a low light option. It's very pretty. You have a switch where you can reverse the blade motion for the winter time to distribute the warm air. And this is showing you some features with the fan off. I think it's just a pretty fan. I have new ceiling fans, and I was going to put the motion sensor bulbs in there, but they're too long. So that's a no-go. The Great Value motion sensors seem to be the same size as the regular GED LEDs, but those were too big for my ceiling fans. The 60-watt Great Values fit in there just fine. They're a little bit smaller. Well, there's the black light and the ceiling fan. Very weak for $4. But it probably isn't going to attract very many bugs. It is November the 21st. Fans are still working beautifully, and I haven't noticed any kind of degradation of the blades. And for the most part, they have kept the birds off the porch. I like them. Check in the text below this video and I will provide a link on how you can get this product or one similar. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video and consider subscribing to my channel.